About to go through the unboxing process for the components that have been received for being a prize winner for the Robots with Wheels competition. So just going to open that up now. So with the prize winnings, I decided to get the Arduino MKR 1000 development kit, and there it is. Whoopie-doo. So we'll get that open, see what's in there. Always wanted to know more about Internet of Things, and then a few pence left, so I bought some spacers. Always need spacers. So all comes in a nice little box. So Arduino MKR IoT bundle. So we'll open the box. So everything's in there. So there's the programming cable. There's the actual Arduino itself. I'll look at that in a minute. And then all the motors and there's the photo board and wires, resistors and connectors, and various other odds and ends that you can need to make up the 5 example projects that make up the kit. Okay, so let's have a look at the Arduino itself. There we have it. So slightly bigger than a Arduino Nano. So there's a Nano, and there's the MKR 1010 next to it. Got the one with the Wi-Fi. It's a bit longer and a bit wider, but still quite small. Jolly good.